Welcome to Lucky English for Beginners. Learning a new language is a great journey, and practicing daily phrases is a wonderful way to improve your confidence. Here are 100 sentences for daily conversation, organized by category to help you study. Now listen to the sentences about greetings and introductions. Hello, how are you today? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. My name is John. What is your name? It is very nice to meet you. Where are you from? I am from Canada. How have you been lately? Let us move on to some phrases for basic politeness. Please. Thank you very much. You are entirely welcome. Excuse me. I am so sorry. No problem at all. That is perfectly okay. Could you help me, please? I really appreciate your help. Have a great day. Here are some common questions you might need to ask. What time is it right now? How much does this cost? Where is the nearest restroom? Can you repeat that, please? Do you speak English? What do you mean by that? How do you spell that word? Where can I find a taxi? What is the weather like today? Are you ready to go? Now listen to the sentences about expressing understanding. I understand perfectly. I am sorry I do not understand. I know exactly what you mean. I do not know the answer. I think so too. I do not think that is correct. Maybe we can try later. Absolutely. Of course. That makes a lot of sense. Next, we have sentences related to work and school. What do you do for work? I am currently a student. I work in an office downtown. How was your day at work? I have an important meeting this morning. I need to finish this project today. Can we schedule a quick call? Let us take a short break. I am currently looking for a new job. What subject are you studying? Let us go over some useful phrases for food and dining. I am getting hungry. I am very thirsty. Let us go get something to eat. What is your favorite type of food? Can I see the menu, please? I would like a cup of coffee, please. This food is absolutely delicious. Could we have the check, please? Do you have any vegetarian options? Please note that I am allergic to peanuts. Now listen to the sentences about travel and directions. Can you show me where we are on the map? Go straight ahead down the street. Turn left at the very next corner. Turn right when you reach the traffic light. Is your destination far from here? No, it is actually very close. Where is the nearest train station? Excuse me, I think I am lost. Can I buy a bus ticket here? What time does the next train arrive? Here are some sentences you can use to talk about hobbies and free time. What do you like to do in your free time? I really enjoy reading books. I love watching movies on the weekend. Do you play any sports? I enjoy listening to music. Let us go outside for a walk. I love traveling and seeing new places. Are you completely free this weekend? What are your plans for tonight? We should definitely hang out soon. Now listen to the sentences to express your feelings and opinions. I am feeling very happy today. I am quite tired after work. I am feeling a bit sick this morning. I am so excited about the trip. That is a fantastic idea. I am so sorry to hear about that. In my opinion, we should wait. I completely agree with you. I have to disagree with that point. What do you honestly think about this? Now listen to the sentences about emergencies and help. I need to see a doctor immediately. Please call the police. Are you feeling okay? I have lost my mobile phone. Please call an ambulance right now. This is a serious emergency. Can I please borrow your phone to make a call? Help me, please. Where is the closest hospital? Watch out.